Hello everyone. You are most welcome to the second video of the SolidWorks tutorial series on the Mechanical Lab YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are hoping to talk about the software environment of SolidWorks. So, if you are new to the Mechanical Lab, subscribe now to our channel and click the bell icon for future updates. I hope you have installed the SolidWorks software by now. So, you will have so many icons on your desktop from that installation. We will discuss those later. For now, click on the SolidWorks icon indicating the version you have installed. I am using SolidWorks 2020 for this tutorial. Doesn't matter what version you have installed, software is basically the same. After some time, the SolidWorks environment is going to open. So, you will have the welcome screen. Close that for now. On the top of the environment, you can see the SolidWorks logo. If I hover my cursor, the menu is going to pop open. If I remove my mouse, you can see the menu is collapsed. So, if you wish to have it, you can pin it. Click on the pin icon, so you always have it. Next to the menu bar, you can see the quick access toolbar. First, we have the Create a New Document icon. You can use that to create a new part, assembly, or drawing. Then the Open icon opens an already existing file. Following that you have Save, Print, Undo and Redo, Rebuild, and Options icons. If you click on the option, you have a different option that change the environment and work with customizations. We will talk about these later on. What I am going to do here is click on the new icon here or press Ctrl+N keys together or go to File in the menu and click on New. All are the same. They will open a new dialog box to create a new part, assembly, or drawing. Here you see the basic type of template to choose from. If you click on the advanced, you see the same templates here also, as we didn't import any templates or create. If you create a template or import one, you will see those here. Here I click on novice as it doesn't matter for now. And select the part and click on the OK. So, as you can see, the environment is changed here. On the top, you can see a set of categorized commands separated by these lines. And you may notice there are several tabs here named by Features, Sketch, and Evaluate. Here some tabs are visible, some are not. To make them visible, right-click on any of these tabs, then select any tab from this drop-down menu. If I select Sheet Metal, here I can see another set of commands to design sheet metal parts. On the left side, you can see the Feature Manager of the design tree and some other tabs. In the Feature Manager, we have a set of features we used on the part. Then the Property Manager provides properties to change when I select a feature or sketch. I have the Configuration Manager. This is most important when I have different configurations for the part. And then I have DIM Expert Manager, Appearance Manager, to help us work with design. In the window, we see the environment for design, called the graphics area, with a very pale gradient. On the top of the graphic area, we can see the heads-up view toolbar, including zoom in, zoom out, zoom to an area, previous view, section view, and dynamic annotation view to see only the annotation views that are relevant to the current model orientation, view orientations, display style to choose shaded with edges, shaded, wireframe like that. This button with an eye is to show or hide different view features, same like hide/show list in the view in the menu. Edit appearance to add colors and textures to our parts. Apply scene to change the gradient in the graphic area, which has the 3 points faded as the default, and view settings. We can unselect these if your system has minimum hardware properties. We will talk about some of these in the following videos. From here, it allows us to work with different parts at the same time. On the bottom side of the environment, it provides tabs for models, 3D views, and motion studies. But the most important thing here is the unit system. It is selected as millimeters, grams, and seconds. You may consider the unit system whenever you design. Subscribe to the Mechanical Lab channel and press the bell icon for future updates.